I'm going to be using the STRV M42EH. It's a Swedish medium tank at battle rating 2.7, has good armor, decent mobility, and a decent gun. The main selling point of this tank is the round it fires. It's APHE, and while it doesn't have the most pen, if it does penetrate something, it'll annihilate the crew, as it has enough TNT filler to overpressure them. Anyways, let's see how good this thing is. Hey, could you, like, drive out in front of me so I can... Ah, perfect. Perfect. Oh. I'm surprised I survived for that long, but yeah. Glad he didn't shoot me. Holy moly. Die. That was a very smooth. What do I even do? How do I even shoot that thing? Fat tumor. The tank. Track? Nope, nope, no track. Oh, he's dead. Excuse you. I can. Bop. Ricochet. Hands are four. Did he notice me? Oh, he did. Four's dead. Shot me from earlier. He's dead. Oh. Breach damage. Die. Oh, I'm getting minced. How am I not dead? Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. There we go. Finally. This thing is seriously good. Its round one-shots basically everything and is super fun to use. The armor and mobility are decent and don't really leave much to be desired. The one thing holding this tank back is a lack of penetration on the main gun.